Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to enter standard buying and selling rates in Tally Prime. Okay, regarding this today we will discuss. What is the meaning of standard buying and selling rate? That means cost price and selling price. So what is the meaning of cost price and selling price? Cost price. The amount paid to purchase an article or the price at which an article is made is known as cost price. Here article means that is goods. Okay. The amount paid to purchase an article or the price at which an article is made is known as cost price. Selling price, it is the price at which a goods or commodity is sold by a shopkeeper to a customer. Okay. Now you understand what is the meaning of cost price and selling price. Okay. Now we move to, in Tally, buying and selling rate means we have to set cost price and selling price by enabling F12 configuration when creating the stock item ledgers. Suppose we enabled this option when we are going to purchase and sales voucher. In rate field, rate will be appear automatically because of we enabled that option and we set cost price and selling price. So because of that, in purchase voucher and sales voucher, in rate field, rate will be appear automatically. Okay, let us check it. So go to the Tally. Here I have already created one company. So create the related ledger accounts. Okay. So move to the notes. These are the two transactions. So these are the stock items. So these are biscuits. In stock group, you have to create biscuits. So go to create, go to inventory master, select stock group, give stock group name biscuits. Under primary, should quantities of items be added, set to yes, accept. So next move to units. So here unit symbol is BXS, boxes. Type the symbol BXS. Formal name, full form of BXS, boxes. Unit quantity, select box. Accept. Now move to the stock item. Okay. So what is Britannia 100 grams Marigold. This is the stock item name. Britannia 100 grams Marigold. Under biscuits, units, boxes. See here, this is our very important topic. So here we enable standard buying and selling rate by pressing F12 configuration. Press F12 configuration. So come to the provide standard buying and selling rate, set to yes. See here, provide standard buying and selling rate, set to yes. Accept. Boxes, see, set standard rate, set to yes. So left hand side cost price, right hand side selling price. So accept default date, type the cost price. So here Britannia 100 gram Marigold cost price is 200 rupees. Type 200. Press one more enter. Cursor will move to the selling price field. Accept default date. Check the selling price. Go to the sales voucher. Britannia 100 grams Marigold, that is 300 rupees. This is the selling price. So like that you have to set cost price and selling price for all the items like this. Accept. Go to next item. Britannia 50 gram cashew nut, cashew. Britannia 50 grams cashew. Under biscuits, set standard rate, yes. So type the cost price. Cashew cost price is 300. Cashew selling price is 450. So next one, Britannia 50 gram orange. 50 grams orange. Under biscuits, boxes, set standard rate, yes. So cost price is 375. Selling price is orange cost price is 250. Backspace, press backspace, 250. Orange cost price is 250. Selling price is orange 375. Now it's okay. So move to purchase voucher. Britannia 50 grams mango. Britannia 50 grams mango. Under biscuits, units, boxes, set standard rates, yes. So cost price is mango 350. 350. Selling price is mango 525. Britannia 50 gram strawberry. Britannia 50 grams strawberry. Under biscuits, units, boxes, set standard rate, yes. So cost price is 400 rupees. Selling price is 600 rupees. Strawberry 600 rupees. Accept. So next one, Britannia 35 gram creams. Britannia 35 grams cream. Under biscuits, boxes, set standard rates, cost price is 275. Selling price is 400 rupees. Accept. Okay friends, now we set both cost price and selling price. So now we move to create another 5 to 6 ledger that is related to purchase, input tax, output tax, supplier name, customer name ledgers. Okay. So go to create, select ledger, create purchase at 18%. Purchase at 18% under purchase account. Is GST applicable? Applicable. Set alter GST detail, yes. Purchase taxable 18%. Accept. Goods. So next, sales at 18% under sales account. Is GST applicable? Applicable. Set alter GST detail, yes. Sales taxable 18%. Integrated tax 18%. Type of supply, goods. Accept. Supplier name Britannia Private Limited. Supplier. All supplier comes under sundry creditors. Accept. Next, SLV Distributors. SLV Distributors. Under sundry debtors. So tax ledger, CGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, select GST, type of duty / tax, select GST, tax type, select central tax. SGST at 9%. Under duties and taxes, type of duty / tax, select GST, tax type, select state tax. Accept. Okay friends, we created all the ledger accounts. Now we move to voucher entries. Go to vouchers, select purchase voucher by pressing F9 button, invoice number, the following materials purchased from Britannia Private Limited, GST at 18%, invoice number 94658. 94658. So party account name Britannia Private Limited, purchase ledger, purchase. So Britannia Marigold. So what is the quantity? 100 box. 1000 box. Friends, now you have to observe in a rate field. Just I will press the enter. See here, in rate field, cost price has appeared automatically. So that's why we have to set cost price and selling price. So it is time savable. So because of that, we need to do this thing. Enter. So second one, Britannia 50 gram Casio. Britannia 50 gram Casio, 1000 boxes. So rate will appear automatically. So next one, Britannia 50 gram orange. Britannia 50 gram orange, 1000 boxes. See here, rate will appear automatically. Next one, Britannia mango. Britannia 50 grams mango, 1000 boxes. See here. And next one, Britannia 50 grams strawberry. Strawberry, 1000 boxes. So rate is 400. So why it has appeared automatically? Because we enabled the option provide standard buying and selling rates in Tally Prime by pressing F12 configuration. This is our main concept of today's video. Okay. So continue remaining. Britannia 35 gram cream. Britannia 35 gram cream, 1000 boxes, rate 275. Press one more enter, select CGST, select SGST, accept. So now move to sales. So check it in sales voucher. SLV distributors, sales at 18%. Select Britannia 100 grams marigold. So 1000 boxes. So check the selling price. So in rate field, rate will appear automatically 300. So check it in assignment. Britannia 100 grams marigold 300. So here 300. So next one, Britannia 50 gram cashew. So Britannia 50 gram cashew, 1000 boxes. So rate 450. Check it in assignment. Rate is 450. So next one, orange. Britannia 50 gram orange. 1000 boxes, 375. See here, 375. Mango. Britannia 50 gram mango 1000. So mango rate is 525. See here, 525. Strawberry 50 gram strawberry. Britannia 50 gram strawberry 1000 boxes, 600 per boxes. See here, 600. So last item, cream. Britannia 35 gram cream 1000. 400. See here, 400. Select CGST. Select SGST. Okay friends, now you got it how to set the cost price and selling price in Tally Prime. So in this way you have to set the cost price and selling price. Okay friends, I hope you got my video. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.